the first ingredient is turmeric powder. Now, if you're not familiar with turmeric powder, this is a root. It looks like ginger, but it is a little smaller and it has this super orangey yellow color. If you can see that right there. This, just so you know, it will stain all of your clothes and all of your towels. So just be really careful with that. But to make this warming spices blend, I just mix 2 parts of turmeric powder to 1 part cinnamon and 1 part ginger. Then I just put a lid on and mix it up, and I keep this in my pantry, and I scoop out 1 teaspoon at a time to put into my beverages. So let's go ahead and make this right now because I did run out and I needed to make more. So first, let's start with the one that doesn't stain anything, which is ginger powder. Okay, so I'm just going to use a 1/4 cup measure because that's going to be a good size for this little jar. But like I said, 1 part to 2 parts. So 1 part ginger powder, 1 part cinnamon powder. And it doesn't have to be perfect. This is just the flavors that I prefer. Okay, 1 part cinnamon powder. And then lastly, we're going to use this really pungent turmeric powder. We're going to do 2 1/4 cups. So 1/2 cup of turmeric powder. And so Dr. Greger recommends 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder every day as part of his daily dozen. So if you were to serve in your beverage 1 teaspoon of this blend, you're really going to get 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. So to meet his daily dozen recommendations, you're going to want to have 2 beverages a day, ideally. Or you could also put more turmeric in your warming spices blend. It'll have more of a pungent flavor. So if you're really sensitive to the flavor of turmeric, maybe that's not for you. But if your goal is really to meet that 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder every day, then you might want to just add a little bit more to this blend. Okay, then I'm just going to put on my lid. These are ball leak-proof lids. These are really great. I use these for beverages, but also for dry mixes like this. And then shake it up. And there we go. This is going to be for 3 of the different drink recipes. We're going to use this warming spices blend.